I'm doing is just copying some of the HTML so I don't have to rewrite it, and I put information. Okay. Card type. Number, and I think that's all we need there. So let's take that out. Oops, and then we need then we need expiration date and CVV if you want. So okay, so credit card information. Let's do a pull down menu or drop down menu for the card type. So we'll do select, and remember we're adding this to the order file. So where do we want to put card type? Well, let's see. Let's go back to the reference here, and on the purchase page, and see what's available. So pay method. There's our account now. We can use that to store the account number, expiration month, and expiration year. We can use those as well. Oh well, here's a card parameter. It's optional. Well, this is more for site builders, so we're not going to use the card for the type of credit card they're using. This is to allow site builder to choose which cards are accepted by site builders. So we'll keep scrolling down here. Okay, so we're not really seeing a field called type, and well, that's reasonable because type is something that's not really required in payment gateways. You don't need to say that this card is a Visa or a MasterCard. The system already knows what type it is. However, just for our purposes, we're going to save it to the order file, just so we can reference it. I'm taking a quick look just to make sure that there isn't a reserved name already for the card type. And I don't see one, so we're going to use one of the default or the custom headers, and these are right here, the header 1 through header 40. So we're just going to allocate at random. We'll pick a header 30, for example, to designate as the card type. So let's go back to the code, and again we're going to use our same syntax that we started with the O underscore and then header 30. Once you start using these headers, I like to actually keep a text file in the directory in the root directory of the website. It's just a record of what you're allocating to these order file headers. So I'm going to do a header 30 equals credit card type. I'm just going to save this into the root, or you can save it into the includes, that's fine. And I'm going to save it as readme.txt, which usually readmes are just a generic text file that provides some information about your website. The TXT is not secure, so make sure you don't put any sensitive information in this file. Alright, so then we can go back to there we are. I had to look around for it for a second. So O underscore header 30, and I'm just going to specify the options here. Spell the tags right here. This also is an easy way to let your customers know what credit cards you do accept. Okay, and then right next to it, as noted in the header here, you're going to have the number here. So I'm going to do comma, I think the order file reserved name is account number. I'll check that in a second. Save that. Oh, account num. Here it is. Okay. Just highlight that and copy it. All right. Okay, so then we're going to do the expiration. I'm not going to do the CVV for now. So we're going to do the